Good evening to all of the listeners, especially my students, no? Uh, we are sa mali pag F5. Madara. Uh, we have a topic now, no? It's transcendental and polynomial equation. This is a part or the first topic, the introduction of numerical method and analysis, no? What is transcendental equation? So, an transcendental equation, an equation which contains trigonometric ratios, exponential functions, and logarithmic function is called a transcendental equation. Example of which is e raised to x plus 2 is equal to 0, or log quantity x raised to 2 is equal to 0. So, and the polynomial equation, the expression of the form f of x is equals to a sub 0 x raised to n plus a1 x raised to n minus 1 plus so on and so forth, where as are constant and it must not equal to 0, and your n is must be a positive integer, no? The polynomial f of x is equal to 0 is called the algebraic equation. So ang difference lang ani nila sa polynomial and transcendental equation, the transcendental equation is naa siya exponential and trigonometric functions. Likewise, sa polynomial equation, wala, no? Example, sa polynomial equation, x raised to 2 plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Or, x raised to 3 plus 9 is equal to 0. So, kaning x raised to 2 plus x plus 1 is quadratic equation. And kaning x raised to 3 plus 9 is a cube root equation. So, we go on to root of equation. Root of equation is a number z, no? Ato lang ni siya i-assume nga z na ni kaning variable. A number z is a solution of f of x is equal to 0. If f of z is equal to 0, such a solution z is root or 0 of f of x is equal to 0. So puros yun ta mga 0 ani, no? Kay sa root of equation pa lang murag libog na kay iyang explanation. So much better nga moadto na lang ta sa example para much matagaan tag katinawan. If dito sa example ha, if f of x is equals to x plus 2, then it has root x is equals to negative 2. To ato timan-an ang equation nga gihatag sa ato is f of x is equals to x plus 2. So kung imo nang butangan ang x ug value nga negative 2, ang makuha gyud nimo na is 0, no? Remember that f of x is equals x plus 2 is a line equation, no? Kung ato ni siya ibutang sa Cartesian plane, makadraw tag line. So geometrically, a root of equation is the value of x at which the graph of y is equals to f of x cuts x axis. So kung nabutangan nato kung ato butangan og negative 2 ang kaning particular nga equation, so walay mahimong value ang f of x, no, or the y, no? So remember students that f of x is kani f of x is also your y in the Cartesian plane, no? So kung magbutang tag negative 2 dira, so ang imong value sa imong y is 0. So ang imong root of equation is nara diri, no? Root of equation. So diri ta sa x magbase. Okay? Then if ang kanipod nga intersection, if kung ang imong ibutang nga value sa x is 0, so ang f of x nimo or y is equal to 2, no? So sa kani nga coordinate, ang imong coordinate points is 0, 2, no? Pero di na siya mahimong root of equation because the root of equation is nagrely siya dependently sa value sa imong y. So ang y gyud dapat ang ma-0, dili ang imong x. Okay? Note, transcendental equation may have no root, a finite or infinite number of real or complex roots. So ang imong transcendental equation, pwede na siya walay root, no? Pwede na siya na kinutuban, finite, or walay kinutuban, infinite number of real or complex roots. At likewise, imong polynomial equation of degree n, naagi na siya dapat exactly n real or complex roots. So I hope you remember sa inyong engineering mathematics about word complex, no? Kay dito man na dapat matudlo sa inyo aning complex numbers, no? Unsa na mga complex numbers ba? Mura pag na question tida. Complex numbers katong mga square root of negative 1 nga ang imuhang radicand is negative. So na kay value nga di ko siya matawag nga value but number of imaginary, no? Mo ang complex roots. So pwede imaginary ang atong roots diri, no? Na siya sa polynomial equation, na po na siya transcendental equation. Only in transcendental equation pwede lang siya walay root. Pwede walay root. Pwede na pwede pod wala. Pwede pod na ay kinutuban o walay kinutuban nga process sa pagkuha sa real o complex roots. Multiplicity of roots, no? If we write f of x is equal to 0 as f of x is equals to x minus z raised to m times g of x is equal to 0, where g of x is bounded, no? And g of z must not equal to 0, then z is called root of multiplicity m. So medyo libog ni siya, no? Medyo libog siya nga definition. Pero matinawan rata na siya in this case, no? Labi na sa example. In this case, f of z is equals to f prime of z is equals to dot is equals to f raised to m minus 1 of z is equal to 0. So kani siya makabaton lang tag prime kung atong i-derive ang kaning previous nato nga equation. So naay siya gibutang nga dot sa ato pa magsige tag derive ani until nga makuha nato ang multiplicity of roots of that particular equation. But if ang imuhang f raised to m of z is not equal to 0 na siya, if your m is equal to 1 na siya, then number z is called simple root na lang. Okay? So di na siya matawag na root gyud, no? Kay ang root na tong gitawag is dapat ang imuhang y mapa-derive man na o dili must be equal to 0. Example, if f of x is equals to 1 minus cos x, then 0 is root of this equation, no? To check multiplicity, we check, no? So we put the value 0 on the variable x. So f of x is equals to 1 minus cos 0. So ang atong gawas is 0. Ngano man, ang cos 0 kay 1 man. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we derive this equation. So nanatay prime sa taas. Derivative of f of x is equals to f prime of x is equals to the derivative of 1 is 0 minus the derivative of cos x. So derivative of cos x negative sign x. So naman tayo negative dire, naman tayo existing negative. So negative times negative is positive. So mo ang atong gawas is positive sin x. So if we put the value 0 on this equation, so ang iyang the value of y prime or the f prime of 0 is equal to 0. So na siya i-2 ka 0. Then we go on pa. Ato pa rin siya i-derive, no? F to the second derivative of x is equals to the derivative sin x negative cos x. Kung ato ibutang, kung magbutang tag kung magbutang tag ano kung matagtag 0 dire, so cos x, cos 0 is 1. Yan na may negative. So